Can you unlock the doors? Can you unlock the doors? Do the back door. Okay, you got it.
Okay, have a good one. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Probably a record stop. Anyway, glad I went out for a ride. This is the season of being married. Take it out. You got that something to break it? I didn't bring my knife. Relax, relax, relax. Is there anybody in the back? Is there anybody in the back? Okay. Can you unlock the doors? Can you unlock the doors? Do the back door. Relax. Do the back door. Do the back door. Unlock the back door. There we go. Relax, 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 relax. You okay?
You good? You good?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Relax. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. It's okay. It's okay.
Just try to relax. Lay down
okay.
on your back and just try to
Just stay still. Just stay still. Keep talking to her.
Okay.
Keep talking to her. Relax.
He's coming.
Have you called him?
What's your name? What's your name? Okay, Melissa,
We're
you're
gonna
okay.
take care of you. You good. We got you out of the car. You good.
The police are right there.
You hang in there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
Is it under Dad?
Just relax. Leave it.
It's under Dad.
You got police right here. The police are right here, okay?
You good.
You're okay.
You good.
You're okay.
Just a credit money. She calling it.
Give her a phone.
I don't know how to get an iPhone.
You want to
Okay.
sit up on that wall and call him? Come on, let's sit up against that. We're going to put your back against that. You good, though. Let's call your dad. You want to try to call him?
Hey, you might want to. You might want to get up and get away from the car. Just get away from it. You good? Yeah, you got her? Those airbags. I'm gonna make it sound scary. Come on, boys. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment. Somebody, oh, that's her bumper. Take it out. You got that something to break it? I bring my knife. Relax, relax, relax. Is there anybody in the back? Is there anybody in the back? Okay. Can you unlock the doors? Can you unlock the doors? Do the back door. Relax. Do the back door. Do the back door. Unlock the back door. There we go. Relax, 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 relax. You okay?
You good? You good?
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Relax. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. It's okay. It's okay.
Just try to relax. Lay down
It's okay.
on your back and just try to
Just stay still. Just stay still. Keep talking to her.
Okay.
Keep talking to her. Relax.
He's coming.
Have you called him?
What's your name? What's your name?
Melissa?
Okay, Melissa,
We're
you're
gonna take
okay.
care of you. You good?
Dad?
We got you out
The
of the
police,
car. You good?
the police are right there.
You hang in there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
Is it under
call
Dad?
Just leave it.
It's under Dad.
You got police right here. The police are right here, okay?
You good?
You're okay.
You good?
You're okay.
Just a credit money. She calling it.
Give her a phone.
I don't know how to get an iPhone.
You want to
Okay.
sit up on that wall and call him? Come on, let's sit up against that. We're going to put your back against that. You good, though. Let's call your dad. You want to try to call him?
Hey, you might want to. You might want to get up and get away from the car. Just get away from it. You good? Yeah, you got her? I don't know how much of that you guys heard, but never a dull moment in Houston. Maybe we should drive another couple of miles and see what else will happen. So far, we've been pulled over by a cop. I guess you didn't hear any of that, but she was cool. And, you know, gave me a little Christmas present. But that might have been the fastest traffic stop I've ever had. And I had nothing to, I got my plate in my pocket, no warrants, no nothing. So, and I'm not on the fastest bike, if you couldn't tell. So, we don't need any of those problems. But what a heck of a ride so far. Not sure how well you can hear me because I got a mask on and everything else. But I did want to share with you a few little pointers if you're ever first on the scene or something like that, a motorcycle accident, a car accident. And I'm not a paramedic or first responder by any means, so, you know, but I am a rider, and it's important you have some at least basic level knowledge on how to respond to trauma. And the more you ride, the more miles you put down, the more you're going to see, right? So, the first thing you got to remember is just to stay calm. If you don't stay calm, nobody stays calm. And you can see all the people questioning, Melissa was her name. You can see them all questioning her. And, you know, it was a little bit insane, you know, it's a traumatic moment. You spun out. If any of you guys have spun out or had a major accident like that, you know, share about it. Maybe there's something in common there. But, you gotta stay calm. Second thing is, make sure that you or somebody is calling for help. I knew that cop was back there, my new favorite cop. And I wasn't as worried about that. Mostly just, you know, let's get her to safety while somebody else calls. And then once you've gotten there, if there's somebody that's, you know, injured, you need to talk to them. Not because you want to be their friends and all, but you need to keep them coherent. You're validating that there's not a brain injury of some sort. And when people know their name, or they know what day it is, that's a little harder. But they know their name, first, last, they know their phone number. You know, that's what you want. You want to keep people talking until people come and keep them calm. And that's all, that's all. Just 3 basic tips. Stay calm, call for help, and talk to any, victim that's involved in a serious matter. Make sure you keep people still, if possible. You can see she was kind of like gonna collapse, and that's not gonna make anything any better. Neither is this oil that I basically picked up on my boot from walking through whatever had spilled out of her car. Feels like maybe coolant or oil. It's pretty dark. So yeah, that's really hit a reflector. That's really slick. I'm sliding off the pegs here. So I don't think it'll be Melissa's favorite Christmas on record. I don't know if you heard that was her name. I don't believe it'll be her favorite holiday, but she's safe. She's calm. I remain anonymous. Also safe and calm. I was leaving the house and I told my old man, I was like, hey, I'll go for a ride while you guys are farting around. And he said there's a lot of crazies out there on holidays, so spoken one dad to another, one dad to many. Be safe out there, folks. It is dangerous, and as you all know, it's not you, it's them. So stay vigilant. Stay safe, boys. Happy holidays.